Alright, in this video I want to show you how you can create your thumbnail for your videos, and the tool I use is snappa.com, and they only allow you to download 3 graphics in a month. After that they will want you to pay, but there is a way I go around it that I don't pay. I continue to use it without paying. So the strategy I use is that I have so many. I just get email that I will use. I will go to email on deck, email on deck, press enter. Okay, this is email on deck. This email on deck, you can just get a free email that you can use temporarily just for 1 day. So if I get this email and I use it to register, that is all. I will, after downloading 3 graphics, maybe I will save it somewhere so that in the following month I will use the same one. I've just gotten this email and I'm going to use this email to register on Snappa. So I will copy it. I'll go to Snappa, then let me log out this account first. So I'm going to create a new account now with that temporary email that I've gotten. So I'm going to click start for free. I'm going to type in that email, then I'm just going to use this as the password and the name, so that when I want to use it next month I won't have problem trying to figure out what is the password and what is the name. I'll just copy the first name here, use it as the name and use it as the password as well. So I'll click get started. Okay, now I have access to it. I'm going to use this email to create at least 3 thumbnail before this account will be required to upgrade. So I'm going to copy that email somewhere so that I'll be able to use it next month. Exactly this month I'll be able to use it to download more, to create more 3 thumbnail. One of the reasons I like Snappa is that their graphics is sharper than Canva. So now I have signed up now. So I want to create a thumbnail for my YouTube video. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm just going to select a template I want to use. I will select a template that I want to use. I think I love this. It's sharp. Okay, then I'm going to download my picture and put it at the background. Okay, so let me add this image and see. Then I'm going to take it to the back. Okay, it has gone behind this. Let me use it to cover this person. Okay, I think we are good to go. All right, so I'm going to change this one to how to create YouTube thumbnail. How to create. Let me reduce the font size. And the line spacing, let me reduce the line spacing. All right, then I'm going to change this one to blue. Okay, then how to create YouTube thumbnail. Let me reduce the font size. Okay, all right, we are done. How to create YouTube video thumbnail. Let me increase the size of this so that, and I'm going to reduce this font. Let's see whether it can be in line. Let me reduce the font a little bit. Okay, how to create YouTube video thumbnail. And let me increase the size of this. Then let me increase the line spacing so that it will be legible. All right, I think we are done. How to create YouTube video thumbnail. Oh, thumbnail spelling is not correct. Let me reduce the font so that it can fit into that box. All right, so we are done. You can see within few minutes we are done creating our video thumbnail. So I'm going to download it now, and if I download this, I have two more to download with this email. Okay, so if I hit download, okay, so the thumbnail is already downloaded. This is the thumbnail we have just created, and this is where I'm going to stop this video. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.